I would like to give you actually examples on how excessive anger, excessive fright actually will influence our health, what will appear, and what we actually can do to prevent and to solve emotional disorders. So if we talk about the 7 emotions, what does it actually mean? What are the 7 emotions? And in this picture, you can see that the 7 emotions consists of joy or happiness or euphoria. That means too much happiness to be euphoric. Anger, melancholy, worry and thinking, sometimes also translated as pensiveness. Grief, fear and fright, or terror or shock. So these 7 emotions are our main topic today, and as you can see, our course is also in connection a little bit with Chinese language, because I would like to explain what actually the meaning comes from this Chinese character. When we take a look, for example, to the first Chinese character in the red button, which is called Xi, it means joy or happiness. Nu is translated as anger, and so on and so on. So we can actually see that most of these characters have something very similar here at the bottom. Over here, we have it over here, we have it over here, and over there, which actually is the meaning of the heart. So these emotions actually have something very clear in common, and we can actually say that all emotions are actually infecting the heart, influencing the heart, and we can treat them through the heart. So Qi coming from the modern TCM psychology, like once again, this is the Chinese terminology for the 7 emotions. It is a very special concept, which was actually already found in the Meijing, where ancient doctors had discussions about it. So when we talk about an emotion, which we actually can say is an inner experience coming from the external environment and giving an external expression, is actually based on our individual psychological and physical state of mind. Are we in a very good mind? Are we not feeling well? Are we tired? Are we maybe already overworked? So all of these differences will also give a very different external expression, which actually decides what kind of emotion will be expressed. So we can actually see an emotion is not just happening, it is happening through us, but it is a process, and through this process I actually would like to show you how it starts, how we actually feel, what kind of syndromes are connected to each emotion, how we can actually prevent this emotion, how we actually can focus on certain situations when usually an emotion is influencing me, making me angry. We can get more understanding about it and actually prevent this kind of situation to be happen, which is actually causing I have a chance to constantly work on my inner ways of reacting to an outer experience. I can balance myself, I can relax myself, I can decide how I would like to respond actually to the external environment.